The town is among the oldest planned towns in India and is famous for its several backwater canals, beaches, paddy fields and lagoons. Alleppey is iconic for its houseboat cruises in the backwaters and attracts thousands of visitors each year. Knowing throughout Kerala for its natural beauty, Alleppey beach is a must-visit place. We are heading towards Alleppey beach. Here. And the waves are very huge. She's waiting for the wind to go down. Be careful, it's a danger area. Don't take bath here. Don't even think of going here, because they have literally mentioned, they've mentioned danger area. Don't take bath here. As the journey continues, we visited Our Lady of Mount Carmel Cathedral, Alleppey. We are heading inside the church. Let me see. Wow, the chapel is so good. So beautiful, it is so big, it is so precious. There is something written here in Malayalam, I don't know what is that. It's order of worship and songs, I believe. It's an order of worship. I'm so sorry, this is the one. It's an order of worship. Can you read it? Yeah, I can read it. Oh, this is the Bible. Again, they've read it, they've kept it. It's not mentioned in English. Yeah. I don't know, there are people who have died, they are buried here inside the church itself. I don't know what purpose. This is how the altar is all about from the side view. We are heading towards the houseboat, White Rose houseboat.
Pagoda restaurant കഴിഞ്ഞു കേട്ടോ ചുങ്കപ്പാലം കഴിഞ്ഞേ.
As usual, my Liji bhai is telling that we have reached. We have reached and we are at
houseboat.
Yeah, we are about almost there. That is what he is saying. Houseboat. We are about to reach the houseboat. I don't know how much far, till how many kilometers are there?
Maximum is 2 kilometers.
2 kilometers. We have rest with 2 kilometers. I think those are the waters out there. Can you see the waters which is there? That will be connecting to that river itself. We'll stay here for one full day. That is of one night and half a day. That will start at 12 p.m. or sorry, I think so. It is the time is almost 1 o'clock. We'll start at 1:15 and we'll end up by what time? Like, we'll end up tomorrow morning by 9 o'clock. There is a sample of a boat out there, but it's not a boat. It's not a houseboat. It's just a boat.
That's the name Shikari.
Shikari.
Shikari. Only 2-3 hour running only. But
Okay. Very small place.
this
It's very
road
small.
is very
The road is very congested.
Yes, yes.
Water boats there,
Yes.
or it's a big river.
No, they are big river.
Okay.
It's normal.
Here or not, it will not come.
No, houseboat here not go.
Okay, the houseboat is a big.
Big place.
Okay, let's see how big it is. This is for the first time we are coming here. Yes, this is the houseboat which is given to us. They have greeted with a welcome drink here. That's really good. Wait, I'm getting a good brightness shot. This is how my boat is all about. They are unroping it. And this is our driver साहब. And आपका नाम क्या है भाई? हाँ? आनंद. और आपका नाम? Thomas. Okay. Nice. She's just enjoying it. This is where the houseboat is all about. It's taking in a reversed manner. That is the biggest houseboat out there. Depends on the capacity. Like if you want for 2 people, if you want for 6 people, if you want for 10 people. Depends on what capacity you need. It's a different feel out here. नेटवर्क रहता है क्या भाई इधर? नेटवर्क रहता है पूरा वहाँ जगह पे पूरा. I'll go inside. I'll come back. And this is our room. Heading towards our room. And this is the wash basin out here. Very good. And this is the washroom. It's so clean, neat, and tidy. It's so good. It's really good. And we'll stay for almost 14 to 20 hours here. And this is the kitchen. Bro started cooking for us. He's been cooking for lunch. And this is the back of the houseboat. We'll go front. We'll check how the houseboat will be moving on. We're heading to the backwaters of backwaters of Alleppey. Backwaters of Alleppey. We're heading towards that. It's too hot. It's not so that thing. It's very hot. I think they're taking us in a different way. I'll enjoy this ride. I'll get back through. See, there is a medical care unit. There is no landways. If you want to have a landway, you have to, basically come through boats itself. There is no the landway. जगह है गाड़ी आने के लिए उधर जगह? बस आता है. किधर से? Alleppey से? ठीक है, बस भी है इधर. Can you see the student? You know, the small guy who's from the school is pushing out. To that way. If you have to go to that way, you have to use this. You have to mandatorily use this. They're getting inside the boat. There are houses out here. You have a vehicle as well, but not that, you know, very good place to have a bike ride out here. Just keep a look at it, keep a watch. Just look. This is the house. Boat name is White Rose Houseboat. Can you see a boat moving there? What's that point? Can you see a bike is moving as well? There. It's so fantabulous. Yes, that is where it's a place to park their boats, and we are heading towards the parking itself as of now. Can you see all the boats have been parked for lunch? It's the time is about 1:35 now. We are about to park the boat, but he's searching for the boat place to click. No place to park. It's finding difficulty, I think. So it's trying slowly going. It's going very slowly. This place is spectacular. I'm just waiting for night. This place is really spectacular, and that's where the houseboat is coming in. So now we got a place to park there. We got a place to park and is heading towards that. This is a family boat. This is a family boat where you have 10 to 15 to 20 members or 25 members, all about approximately like 10 members of 15 members, something like that. Yeah, it's pulling down the things. It's My Trip Houseboat. It's a My Trip Houseboat. They're very, adjusted to that. Very much adjusted to that. We'll go there, bring it and tie with the ropes. This is what they have prepared for us for the lunch. I don't know what sambar is this. It's a mixed vegetable sambar. We asked it for spicy and they have prepared for us. And we had they have given some aloo thing, and there is some sabjis, and there is some fish over there. We have asked for very spicy, not little spicy, very spicy foods, and we'll start up. Okay. Boat stops for fish marketing. There are lots of fishes out here, and we can even buy crabs as well. There you go, the crab. ये अच्छा नहीं है, बोल रहा है. That's not that good. And this is a sea crab. Everything is done. This is prawns. There you go with the prawns. You want prawns? You want crab only. Okay, we'll have crab. Where they have arranged is a candlelight dinner. There is a banana followed by the pineapple they have placed. And they have so pleasantly made it. They have arranged some chapati. Yes. And we just brought a crab. That is something around 400 rupees per kilogram. They have arranged us a cake. That's so special, This is the crab.
Thank you.
And this is the chicken curry. नहीं चाहिए सिर्फ यही बचा है. ठीक है. guys, and day 4, Alleppey. It's about to, we are about to check out the room. And they have arranged us a breakfast. This is how we are going out. That's really awesome. I'll show you the back view right now. Yes. The boats are going, and this is where the cabin crew is sitting in. This is where they arrange the breakfast. Oh, they've arranged this idli. That's so wonderful. Idli and sambar. Say hi to my viewers, please. She's already she's very hungry. She started to have. They've arranged this idli, and there is a cup of tea. And there is something here. I don't know what is that. Oh, there is dosa as well. See, there is dosa. They've arranged this dosa also. Tomato chutney followed by a sambar and a cup of tea or water. As usual, roses. So nice. And this is the place where we stood last night. Held up last night. And it's so fantastic and fabulous. Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. It's hard to leave until you leave. It's time to say goodbye to my Kerala days. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon.